T420D Wi-Fi version, and ES02 Fume Extractor linkage. Firstly, upgrade these two devices to the latest version. Connect the device to computer and upgrade through AiXun Assistant platform. After the upgrade is completed, connect both devices to the power supply. Turn on T420D Wi-Fi version. The device will automatically recognize the fume extractor. Select Agree. The two devices can be linked through Bluetooth successfully. Here we have achieved the linkage between the two devices. The two devices can be linked through Bluetooth successfully. ES02 also supports to link with T320 Integrated Smart Soldering Station, T413 Integrated Smart Soldering Station, T400 Smart Soldering Workstation, and HT3162IN1 Hot Air Reworkstation. The linkage methods are same as the above steps. That's all for the tutorial on how to link T420D Wi-Fi version with ES02 Fume Extractor. To learn more about AiXun products and software updates, please follow AiXun YouTube channel AiXun or official website www.aiXun.com.